Hi guys, my name is Ritika Singh Chauhan. Welcome back to my channel and hi. So today's video is going to be about my top 5 best drugstore blushes available in India, and of course they are amazing and they are drugstore. So yeah, if you want to know what these top 5 blushes are, so keep on watching. So the first blush is this one. It's the Fit Me blush, Maybelline Fit Me blush, and it's in the shade Nude Peach. And of course this is the star of the show because I've used this blush in almost like 2 to 3 videos till now, and this is a very beautiful blush. So it's pigmented. Fit Me blushes are like some are pigmented, some are not that pigmented, because I don't know why they have such formula in them, but like this one is quite pigmented. The shade Rose which I have is not that much pigmented, but these both work great. And what I prefer in blushes is that they should be like a mid pigmented, not too much pigmented, not too less pigmented, because it's a hit or miss on both the sides because too much pigmented blushes are gonna like stick on your cheeks and it becomes very hard to blend and you end up looking like a clown. And too light, like less pigmented blushes are really hard to work here. Like you just have to swirl your brush for like billion times and then just the color shows up. Blush is like in the mid and it works great, and yeah, it's quite affordable and good quality, and the shade range is quite nice. I have like 4 blushes of this now. If you want like those peachy cheeks, those intense peachy cheeks, this is the right blush to go for, the Nude Peach one, and it's a beautiful blush, beautiful formula, affordable and everything good. So yeah, first this Maybelline Fit Me blush. Second one is this Nykaa Get Cheeky Duo blush duo, and it's in the shade, I guess, yeah, Malibu Barbie 03, and this is how the blush looks. The packaging, this is how it looks. Quite simple, quite chic, quite nice, and you have 2 blushes in this. So first one is called the Coral, and then the second one is called the Peach. Well, I see nothing like peach in this color, but since it's peach, it's peach. So these blushes have a little bit of sheen in them, not too intense, not too light. I can say a perfect amount of sheen. Like if you like skip on your highlighter, or if you just forgot to put your highlighter, this will like maintain the flow. So yeah, this blush is quite good, quite like nice and very natural looking. This blush is very natural looking and stays for a good time. Price is nice. You can of course get everything on discount when the sale is on. So yeah, this one. Moving on to the third one, this is the Calabar blush in the shade. So this is 016 Sweet Scarlet, and this is how the shade looks. It's a good pink color, and this blush is extremely pigmented. You just have to dip your brush in and just have to put like one, and you just have to blend it. Like just touch your face and just start to blend it, because if once this is stick on your cheek, it becomes very hard to blend. But this blush, actually the best part about this blush is it stays for the whole day, whole night. It stays for your life until you are back to your home and starts to remove your makeup. Because the worst part about blushes are they actually like vanishes from your cheek, which is not a good thing, because you end up looking like pale or like colorless. Of course, if you are wearing a full face of makeup, so it makes a difference if the blush is gone. So this blush stays for the whole day, whole night, whole life. So yeah, this blush is quite good, quite pigmented. You have to just work very fast with this, but it's worth the money, and it costs for like something 500. It costs for like 675, but of course sales. So yeah, this one. Okay, so the next is the palette. It's not a single blusher. So this is the palette. It's the LA Girl Glow palette, and this palette is my lifesaver. So these are the 2 blushes in this palette and 1 bronzer. Highlighter is just chalky and rubbish, but these 3 products are really nice. But these 2 blushes are so beautiful. They look very natural. Stays for the same thing. The stays for like whole day, whole night. But the thing is, just you have to work a little bit on these blushes, because you just have to swirl your brush too much in this. But these blushes are so beautiful, so natural. You're gonna love it if you wanna like buy any of this range palette. This is just way too beautiful. And yes, this blush also stays for the whole night, whole day, and it looks very natural. Like in all these blushes, this one is the most natural looking and the color suits me the best blush palette or blusher in this like whole haul. So this is the best worth investing your money also, because you're of course getting a highlighter also, not highlighter, highlighter is just bekar. The bronzer also, bronzer is very nice, and but these blushes are very natural and very beautiful. I'm just obsessed with this one, and I am in the shade Glow. The specific one in the Elegant one, I am in the shade Glow. They have many, I guess the pink variant, and I don't know, they have many, but I am in the shade Glow. Moving on to our last blush, the fifth one. The thing about this blush is it looks very natural on bare skin, or on when you're going for a glossy makeup or a yoga skin or something like that, because it's a liquid blush and it's from YDP, the Shreya Jain collection, and it's in the shade, it's the color cream. Okay, so I don't know the shade name, but it looks something like this. It's in the shade purple. I will list down the name and the prices of everything on my screen, because I'm very bad at doing like, you know, DB thing, the description box thing. So yeah, I will do the screen thing. This blush is good when you are bare skin, when you are just like putting your concealer on and just you want some color on your face or lip. It works both as a cheek or lip tint. So you just have to take a pea size, not even pea size amount, you just have to take like a touch, and you just have to like put it, because of course it's in the color purple, and not the name of the blush is purple, but the shade is purple. So you just have to like touch it, and you just have to blend it. This blush specifically works great on bare skin, and for those days when you don't want to wear makeup but you want the color, so this is for then. And I'm using this constantly and it's still full. So as you can see, this is for those days. On top of the makeup, it doesn't stay for that long, but on bare skin it stays for a very long time, and I just love the formula of this, and it blends very nicely, very quickly, and you don't have to like work really hard on this blush. But the thing about this blush is that it works great on bare skin, especially on bare skin. It works on makeup also, like a full face of makeup also, but especially on bare skin, and that's why I have like put this blush on in this video, because I want to put something good for those non-makeup days also. So this is for those days. So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you like the video, and I hope you subscribe to my channel. That will mean the world to me, and thanks for watching. I see you next time. Bye.